Hi, I'm Siva. I'm 44 years old. Actually, I'm from Singapore. I'm into business development role of Asia Pacific in a software company. Actually, I came to India for some kind of business meeting. So during that time, I have seen this opportunity to get into the meetings. The Zoom meetings of research and all that stuff. It quickly got my attention to know about the technology trends and all of things. Okay, so I was registered immediately for this and gone through all these 3 hours of workshop. It was quite interesting to know about the trends and technologies, what is available in the market. I know about something on gamma and other things, but I never hands-on in this those things. Okay, but definitely with this kind of exposure and the trainings, it surely it may helpful for me to do it everything by myself instead of depending on my team members to do things. So which is quite interesting for me to jump in on hands-on with the new technologies with my capacity. Okay, and overall the experience for me for this workshop is quite interesting. Maybe I can give out of 8 out of 10. From my experience, from my understanding, and I'm quite interesting to know more about moving forward in this course. And um, I believe with my age of nearly about 44, with this new knowledge, with my previous experience in the industry, definitely I can go beyond this limit of what we can expect of either 10x or 5x or 20x, whatever you're mentioning. Maybe beyond more, I'm expecting. Let's see how. Okay, so I definitely agree that I will spend some more quality time on this to understand and learn more on this. Okay, once again, thanks for the team to give me opportunity for getting this to course. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.